For organizations across Edmonton, communication, safety, and security systems are essential to keeping people connected, protected, and informed. Priority Communication Systems provides integrated technology solutions for businesses, senior living communities, healthcare facilities, education environments, hospitality venues, commercial buildings, and multi-dwelling properties throughout Edmonton and across Alberta. PCS works across key sectors including seniors housing, healthcare and long-term care, education, commercial and hospitality, multi-dwelling housing, and manufacturing. Each environment has different operational needs, so every PCS solution is designed around the building, the people using it, and the level of support required. From business phone systems and cloud communications to data networks, Wi-Fi, and structured cabling, PCS helps organizations improve connectivity and simplify day-to-day communication. Whether supporting a care community, school, commercial office, or multi-site organization, PCS designs communication systems that scale with operational demand. For care settings, schools, and operational facilities, safety technology must be clear, responsive, and dependable. PCS provides emergency call systems, nurse call solutions, mass notification, and monitoring services designed to improve awareness, strengthen response, and support people when communication matters most. PCS also provides AV solutions designed to improve communication, entertainment, and audience engagement. From digital signage and meeting room displays to theater rooms, PA systems, and presentation technology, PCS helps create spaces where audio and visual systems work clearly, reliably, and professionally. PCS installs integrated security systems including CCTV, door entry, and access control. These systems help organizations manage who enters the building, monitor key areas, and improve visibility across entrances, shared spaces, parking areas, and sensitive zones. PCS can also support advanced monitoring for facilities that require reliable oversight. PCS supports projects from consultation and design through to equipment supply, installation, testing, training, maintenance, and service. With certified technicians, responsive support, and practical product knowledge, PCS helps organizations choose fit-for-purpose technology and keep systems performing long after installation. Whether you manage a senior living residence, education facility, healthcare environment, commercial property, or multifamily building in Edmonton, Priority Communication Systems Ltd can help you plan, design, and implement the right technology solution. We bring experience, practical knowledge, and dependable support to every project. For integrated communication systems, life safety technology, security, CCTV, door entry, audio-visual solutions, and building technology services in Edmonton, contact Priority Communication Systems Ltd today. Visit PriorityLimited.com to learn more.